Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into VOO. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 28th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 27th of March, 2025, our system has categorized VOO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.21. Let's examine the performance of the exchange-traded fund during this time frame. The ETF experienced a loss of -2%. This results in an average daily loss of -1% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within the lower range of a declining trend in the short term, which often presents an excellent buying opportunity. Should the lower trend support at $501.30 be breached, it would indicate a stronger downward movement. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of 5.4% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging between -7.16% and +1.77%. In terms of the longer horizon, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 17.3%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 17.2% to 31.2% over the next year. This would translate to a future price falling somewhere between $597.73 and $670.19. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, Red Day on Friday for VOO ETF after losing 2%. The VOO ETF price fell by 2% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 28th of March, 2025, dropping from $521.21 to $510.80. It has now experienced 3 consecutive days of decline. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 2.02%, with a day low of $510.14 and a day high of $520.45. The price has been quite volatile during this period, resulting in a 1.29% loss over the last 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day by 2 million shares, despite the declining prices. This may serve as an early warning, potentially indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 6 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $2.89 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $563.90, while the lowest price was $453.90. Currently, the price is 9.42%, or $53.10, below the 52-week high of $563.90, which also stands as the all-time high for the ETF. The S&P 500 closed near session lows on March 28th, highlighting ongoing market volatility that could impact the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, known as VOO, in both the short and long term. The index is currently testing crucial support levels, which are pivotal for market sentiment among both bulls and bears. This technical analysis suggests that current price action is critical. If the index fails to hold these levels, we may see further declines. Recent data reveals a drop in Michigan consumer sentiment to a concerning 57, with rising inflation expectations turning investor sentiment more cautious. Simultaneously, core PCE inflation and impending auto tariffs are adding pressure on the market. These factors indicate a challenging environment for stocks, implying that VOO may face downward pressure as investors adjust their expectations. Despite these challenges, some analysts remain optimistic about a potential recovery, with projections hinting at a 10% total return for the S&P 500 this year. However, the first quarter has shown a slight retreat of 1.6% in the benchmark index, which raises questions about the strength of recovery strategies. In terms of daily performance, sluggish movement in major indices suggests caution among investors, particularly in light of recent heavy losses. For long-term holders of VOO, dollar-cost averaging remains a sound strategy amid market fluctuations, potentially allowing investors to benefit from future rebounds while mitigating risk during downturns. The coming weeks will be crucial for determining the direction of VOO and the broader market landscape. The following signals have been identified for VOO. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 13th of March, 2025, and so far, it has risen approximately 0.74%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is identified. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near short-term development. The VOO exchange-traded fund holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a more negative outlook for the fund. Moreover, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. On upward corrections, there will be resistance from the levels at $522.40 and $535.64. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. Volume increased on declining prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the ETF should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots generated a buy signal 12 days ago. Bollinger also signaled a buy 12 days ago. The short-term moving average provided a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 23 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average generated a sell signal 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages pointed to a buy signal 15 days ago. Be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at $507.05. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this ETF is considered quite low. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by $10.32 between its high and low, which is a change of 2.02%. For the last week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 1.19%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is $511.28. If you do not own any shares, consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the ETF, this could serve as a critical point for swing trading. On the downside, VOO faces its first support level at $507.05. If this support level holds, it may present a solid entry point, anticipating a rebound. Currently, we hold a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and there is no stop loss in place. Is VOO ETF a good buy? Currently, VOO shows several negative indicators and is part of a downward trend. As a result, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak in the near future. Hence, our evaluation of this ETF is negative. Upon analyzing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 31st of March, we expect VOO to open higher by $2.99, starting at $513.80. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.